Hi guys, I'm Craig Mahoney from Mainline Dyno. Firstly, thank you for buying our ProHub product. Today we're going to cover some of the very important points to consider when unpacking your dyno for the very first time. So today we'll go through some of the unpacking procedures and some important points to take note of during the unpacking process. If you've purchased a two-wheel drive ProHub, you'll receive 3 boxes in total, or 3 crates. They'll be clearly marked, left and right, and the cabinet and the fan. When the boxes first arrive, please take note of any external damage on the box and also report that to the delivery company if there's any obvious damage. Take note of the lifting points marked at the bottom of the boxes here, okay, for the lifting point for the forklift. And an important point is these modules are going to be removed from the boxes from the top lid. We have to remove the top lid first of the crate and they're actually lifted out of the crates. Once you've taken the lids off the crates, please look inside to see if anything's actually moved during transit. You'll find that the dyno is well packed by us in Australia before it leaves, but just in case, just make sure nothing's actually come loose with the packing. The first thing you have to do before we can take these modules out is to take the yellow anti-torque arms out of the crates first. Before we lift the modules out, a few other things to check before we do that is to look inside the crates. Ensure that the cable is ready to lift out freely. You've got a box full of adapters or any accessories are still there. Make sure they come out first before we actually take the module out of the box. And make sure everything's unpacked, unstrapped, everything's ready to actually lift out of the box. There are lifting points, these 2 here, and also the handle at the other end. A set of slings and a reasonable forklift. Lift them directly out of the box and continue to take them to your desired installation location. With this crate here, what's important to note is to take the top lid off first and then we drop off the front side to get access to the contents to unload it from that particular crate. Please check the contents, make sure they're secure, they haven't moved around during transit. This crate here will have the fan, the cabinet and some sub-assemblies, some accessories, monitors and a few other objects. Your dyno signs will be here on top. In the crate you should also find a packing list. This packing list has been ticked off as we pack the items into this particular crate. Please check off these items with the items that are in the crate. Just an important note when it comes to taking the components out of the crate, the fan assembly is quite heavy. So the best thing to do is to use a forklift to safely lift this particular item out of the crate. Expose some of the packing at the bottom of the fan housing assembly here and put the fork tines underneath the fan and lift it nice and squarely and drive back and remove it out of the crate. Righto guys, we've got the dyno out of the crates now. While it's on the forklift, it's a good idea to unwrap the plastic at that point. It makes it a bit easier. Place the dyno on the ground, and then the next step will be wheeling it into our dyno room and getting it ready for setup and connection to the car.